Welcome to Sergi. In today's video, we are going to discuss 15 Native American idioms with meanings. Walk a mile in someone's moccasins. This idiom teaches empathy, encouraging one to understand another person's perspective before passing judgment. It reflects the importance of empathy in many Native American cultures. Talking with a forked tongue. This expression is often used to describe someone who is deceitful or untrustworthy. It comes from the stereotype of Native Americans as cunning or dishonest, but it's important to recognize and avoid such stereotypes. Walking the red road. This phrase comes from the Lakota Sioux and refers to living a spiritually centered life in harmony with the earth and all living beings. The circle of life, popularized by the movie The Lion King. This concept is deeply rooted in Native American spirituality, representing the interconnectedness of all living things. Bury the hatchet. This expression comes from the Iroquois Confederacy and means to make peace or resolve a conflict. It's often used to describe the end of a feud. Thunderbird eyes. This expression, from various indigenous cultures, refers to the ability to see beyond the surface and perceive things deeply or intuitively. Sitting Bull's lament. This phrase reflects on the idea of mourning or regretting actions after they have already occurred, named after the famous Lakota Sioux chief. Finding your medicine. In Native American cultures, medicine refers to one's unique power or gift. Finding your medicine means discovering and embracing your purpose or talent in life. Warrior's heart. This term reflects the strength and courage of Native American warriors. It can also refer to someone who possesses great courage and determination. Two-spirit, a term used by some Native American cultures to describe a person who embodies both masculine and feminine qualities. It goes beyond gender identity and encompasses a spiritual and cultural role. Dancing with the spirit. This expression refers to engaging in spiritual practices or ceremonies to connect with the divine or ancestors. Following the river's path. This idiom conveys the idea of going with the natural flow of things or following a course that feels right, much like a river meandering through its natural course. It implies embracing a journey without resistance. Sacred hoop, a symbol representing the interconnectedness of all life and the cyclical nature of existence, often seen in Native American art and teachings. Winter counts. In Lakota culture, winter counts were pictorial calendars or records that depicted significant events in a tribe's history for each year. The phrase can be used metaphorically to describe recording important memories or events. Finding the North Star. This expression alludes to finding one's way or guidance, much like how travelers historically used the North Star for navigation. It can signify discovering a sense of purpose or direction in life.